You go to school with Adam?
Yes, I do. I'm like right next to him in the dorms.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
I went to Mason too.
No way.
Yeah.
Oh my god, what did you study?
Applied IT.
Oh wow. That's awesome.
What about you?
Oh, I study acting.
Okay.
Yeah.
I didn't know they had acting.
Yeah. Oh, they have a great program.
Are you from this area?
I'm from Richmond.
Okay.
It's beautiful up here though.
It is. You can hold onto the door handle if you need to.
Yeah. It's so fun.
also a freshman?
Yes.
How's it going so far?
Oh, it's great. I love it.
College is one interesting time of life, that's for sure.
It's definitely been crazy, but it's been a lot of fun. I mean, just doing stuff like this. Like, I just told Adam one day, like, it came up that I like driving really fast.